Hello, introducing to you Learner's Platform, your key to exam success. Exams can be stressful and overwhelming, but Ghana.learnersplatform.com is here to help you succeed. With our platform, you'll have access to a vast library of resources, past question papers, textbooks, and practice exercises covering all major subjects to help you master the curriculum at your own pace and ace your exams. Our platform provides a comprehensive collection of learning materials for BECE and SHS students. Practice with past question papers to familiarize yourself with exam formats and topics, all organized according to the current curriculum. Review key concepts and in-depth explanations with our textbooks and interactive video tutorials. Reinforce your understanding with practice exercises and self-assessment quizzes. Covering all major subjects, including English, mathematics, science, and social studies. Our platform offers a structured learning environment that allows you to master the curriculum at your own pace. With our clear explanations and interactive video contents, you can easily understand complex topics and solution steps. Join thousands of students who have already achieved their academic goals with Ghana Learners Platform. Take control of your academic journey and unlock your potential. Visit learnersplatform.com today. Visit our website and follow us on social media for updates and tips. Learners Platform, your key to exam success.